Right, cunts, and welcome to Uni Cooking with Bernie. Today I had a nap, woke up at 8 and then cried because I realised I hadn't made myself any proper food throughout the day. So we're going to attempt to do some culinary master shit. Just here prepared in the oven, we have some Heinz baked beans, snap pots. Just give that a little stir up, because I think that's what it said on the lid. Yeah, just stir that. Ooh, smells quite good. I'm looking forward to these beans. Love a good bean. Right, so now that that's stirred up nice and stirrily, we can take our pack of Old El Paso tortillas. This is going to be the carbohydrates of the meal. So, whack that there. Some chicken for protein. Some flame grilled chicken. Put a bit of that in. Bish bash bosh. You know what? I'm going to make myself two. Looks like we've got quite a few beans here. So, two sounds like a safe bet. We've got chicken for days. Got loads of fucking chicken. Yeah, just put slap some slices in there. Slap another slice in here. Put this back in the fridge. And from the fridge, we get our cheddar extra mature cathedral city mature cheddar, the nation's favourite. There we fucking go. Cheese grater. Right. We'll put the beans on last because they're messy. I'm Gordon fucking Ramsay up in this cunt. Right. Let's just break this shit on here. I love cheese. I love cheese so much. I will put cheese on most things, even when I shouldn't. Like in this situation. This might be disgusting. I don't know. I don't care. I just don't know how to cook for myself because I'm an incompetent child. Alright, back in the fridge. Nice healthy drink. And now we put the beans into the tortilla wrap. Oh, lovely. Oh shit, bean juice going everywhere. So wrap that up so it doesn't get on the side and my flatmates don't fucking kill me. Oh, it's on the side. Gonna have to clean that up. I should get a plate. That's a smart idea. There we go. Big burn brain cells. Right. Now we nah. I was thinking maybe a bit more cheese on that, but I've already put the cheese back in the fridge. And uni eating is all about saving time and energy. So the rest of these beans, can't fit them in the, could probably fit a little bit more. There we go, can't fit them in the wrap. So what I'm just gonna do is just chug the beans. Because you don't let food go to waste. Right, you're on a tight budget at uni. You've got to spend your money wisely and you can't be wasting food. So that's why if you've got a bean pot and you make yourself this lovely meal and you've got some left over, just chug the beans. Don't be a pussy. It's hot. Oh fuck, I've got bean juice on the floor. Right. That can go in the recycling, save the fucking planet. And what I'm gonna do is clean up the shit that I've left everywhere. If I can find the fucking paper towels. Oh, there, right there. Propped behind the camera. Okay, so let's just wipe that bean juice off. No one needs to know. God, I hope my flatmates don't see this. Just wipe some cheese up there. Then wipe the bean juice off the floor. chuck this in the bin. Right, get myself a cup. Fuck. Right, a mug will do. All of my cups are in the washing up because, you know, I'm lazy. Oh shit. Coke just fucking spraying on me everywhere. Lovely mug full of Coke here. Oh, it's frothing a bit. Oh, you can see that. Oh, fucking perfect. Went to the top but didn't go over. Right, now let's wrap this final cheesy bean chicken wrap and have a see what it tastes like. So. It's kind of gross. In fact, it's really gross. That's sort of way I like it. I've never tried this before. It tastes like sick, but in a nice way. Yeah, this is fucking gross. But I'll continue to eat it, because you don't waste food at uni, because then you're wasting money. Fucking bean juice on my hand. It's alright. No fucking beans! It's on my ring as well. Shit. Oh. Fuck's sake, I don't even want to lick that off. Where's the fucking... There it is.